My name is Delores, and I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. My grandmother left this house to me in 1987, and that was very difficult for me as a single parent, trying to keep up the repairs on my own. You know, when they asked us to fill out the information and they gave me the okay that we're gonna help you, I was just so grateful. You know, I try to hold back the tears, that it just felt like somebody cared all of a sudden, like just dropped from the sky, that somebody actually cared about the issues that was going on in this house. They just came in, said, you know, everything that needed to be done, and they did it. And so now when I walk in, I am so excited. I cannot believe the work that they've done. Everything just looks amazing. I mean, it's a miracle. Not only are they helping me rebuild this house, they're helping me like kind of start over, another chance at life. And giving my family another chance to be able to meet over here comfortably and to have our family gatherings. The things that changed for me is that, you know, it's a mean world, and for somebody to come in and want to help me, it kind of helped me, it just made me feel really emotional, to know that somebody care about, you know, little old me. And I just never imagined that it would ever get done. And so they kind of give me hope to a whole new life. Even though I'm 55 years old, it feel like I'm young again, and I'm young and I'm excited, and my family is excited. Rebuilding together. I can't tell them thank you enough for what they done for me and my family. I'm grateful.